G'day everyone. So this is a video, not like my normal videos of bonsai, but this is about why I haven't been doing some bonsai videos lately. We've had some bathroom issues and we've had a leaking shower base that has caused us lots of problems. As you can see, there's water damage in this corner, especially you'll see underneath the power, what do you call it, the linen cupboard. You see the damage there through the wall into the subfloor, and you can see the wood underneath is rotted. You can see the skirting's rotted. Lots of problems there, lots of mold, very dangerous. So we didn't even notice this until we started to smell something and there was some water damage around the place. So I started doing some demo, and you can see the water's gone through the wall into the frame, and that wood there is pretty damaged and wet. So I started ripping up some tiles as well, just to see what happens. The tiles were coming off anyway; they were loosening off the shower base. Yeah, you can see there the damage off the wall. Now you can probably also see there's the membrane that they put down. However, there's no blue waterproofing anywhere. So no waterproofing anywhere. I'm trying to find where the damage was, and there it was. That little hole there in the membrane, the water was just running through that since the house was built, I reckon, which is probably 20 years ago. So you can see there's water everywhere. This is just the shower, what it looks like. You can see I'm doing a bit of demo. So I started to pull off the shower screens. It's time for this bathroom to be renovated anyway. It's probably the good reason why we decided to go, yep, let's rip all this out and get a new bathroom in. So with bathroom renos, we didn't want to do anything ourselves. So we've got professionals to come in and do it, and you'll see that shortly. This isn't a video of how to, this is just a journey of what happened and with this bathroom. It's pretty bad. A lot of water damage. All the plasterboard behind the actual tiles was rotted too. You see that tile just caved in when I pushed on it. Look at that, just caved in. There's no strength there at all. The water's gone through. It's actually gone through the floor as well, which you'll see soon. But yeah, I kept doing some demo. You can see I'm right through the bathroom wall into the linen cupboard. I'm not sure why this video went sideways, but you can see just a bit more demo. We've got the professionals coming in now. They're starting to demo the place up. Yeah, we've got professionals in to come in, a professional builder to come in and do this. So a bit of a before and after shots before we tear it all apart. You can see the amount of damage. You can see the subfloor damaged as well, a bit lower down. So replacing everything. We're pretty much taking everything out, putting everything new back in, which should be good. No more bathtub. There'll be no bathtub. Showers, double showers will go in there. But yeah, demo. Look at the demo. Pretty quick. They got it all pretty much done in a day. Yeah. The subfloor is pretty damaged, so they're going to have to replace the whole floor. Pretty good. Everything else is pretty good. We're changing the taps and the water, how it flows. Yeah, just a quick snap of bits and pieces there. Frame's looking good. And that's the bottom. So lots of damage in that corner, which is going to have to be fixed. Yep. The floor, you can see everything's gutted. There's only the frame left, and this is the upstairs bathroom, sorry, should have mentioned that. The upstairs main bathroom, so it got replaced. Going to move a few things around, move the toilet around. Yeah, as I mentioned, we're going to have double showers. You can see the plumbing already in for the double showers. Yep. Okay, now they've laid brand new subfloors. Nice and firm. They can walk in there now and do some work. Yep, plumbing's changed. We've got those in-system built-in toilets, which has the flusher on the wall. Should look good. Yes, waterproofing got done. Nice and blue everywhere. That's what I like to see. Plasterboard's up, plastering done. You can see nice clean work, nice blue, waterproofing. Now, they had to build a little step on the shower because they couldn't run, the water wouldn't run downwards on the shower. So that instead of having a flat bathroom, we had to have a little step on the shower base area, which they built in. You can see there the little step where the shower's going to be in a minute. Another layer of waterproofing after they put that step in. We're going to have 2 niches in the shower there, and you can see double layer of waterproofing, so we hopefully have no more issues. So they laid the base tiles, floor tiles down, nice big 600 by 600 floor tiles, nice and clean and spacious looking. There's the long drain we're putting in as well. The tiler was awesome. He really did a great job. Nice and clean. So there's the floor done. Now the walls got done. Lovely big 600 by 600 tiles again. Looking really good. Bit more work to do. The niches look great. Professionals do a great job. They're worth the money. But we did some shopping around, got the best builder, the best price really. You know, they all try and compete with each other, but you know, you go with your gut as well, who's the best out there. So then the next day, I think they finished off all the tiling, should all be done now. You can see nice big tiles, they go really well. I think the colour goes really well with the base floor tiles. Looks stunning. I didn't pick any of these colours out, the wonderful missus did all that. So we've got now the shower screen's gone in. It's a double shower screen, walk-in shower. So we've got some nice downlights black. Goes with the bamboo looking vanity with the dark basin, dark base. You see that, that's like a nice floating vanity, which looks great. We've got some square shower heads dropping from the ceiling, black taps. You can see there's our bowls and our tapware, all nice and black and looking good. Well, the job's almost done now, so I think this is almost there. Still a bit of cleanup to do, but you can see that most of the things are in, nice and clean. Totally different looking bathroom to previously. It was beige and yucky. So the showers look great. The showers come up beautiful. This drop shower heads. Nice walking, no more doors, which I can't stand. Walk into shower base, so lots of painting to do. And this is pretty much the final product. We've already started to use this bathroom. You can see nice and clean, the doors, new doors in, painted. Oops, there's a toilet, toilet up. There you go, looking, starting to use already, painted, all done. Pretty much the final product. As you can see, we've got huge cabinetry, mirrored cabinetry there. Looking really nice. Made the room look awesome. We loved it. Yeah, just the lights and the fans and the heater vent in there. Pretty much done. It was a great experience. Well, a very tiring experience. That's one bathroom done. We've got another one to do, but lots of issues around the the lack of waterproofing. But there you go. So following on from our first bathroom reno, this is the second bathroom, the ensuite. Didn't get a before and after shot, but that's in brand new Felix skylight we just put into this bathroom. There's no windows in this bathroom. This was pretty much just to get this bathroom looking the same as the other bathroom. It's an ensuite, it's a bit smaller, but yeah, it's pretty good. Here's the waterproofing done in this one. Pretty easy. The shower's going to be sitting in there. The nice big Velux skylight has helped with lighting. This would have been really dark otherwise. But yeah, looking good. Just got waterproofing done. No before and after shot. Sorry, missed the before shot. But you can see another great job on this shower. Nice tile, big tiles again. This is a nice little area for the shower. Will be double showers in there. Yep, that skylight looking good. They're framing it up now. Yep, same tiles and same pretty much everything. Here it is, pretty much finished. You can see the same look and feel as the other bathroom. Nice walking in. Nice big mirrors again. Pretty much identical to the first main bathroom. Same basins and taps and everything. Toilets. The shower looks fantastic. The shower's in this nice little niche area. You can see it's like a walk in and you go in around the corner. It looks great. Come up beautiful. Nice big shower. Heads again drop from the ceiling, and that V-Lux skylight. Just everything looks fantastic. So there you go. That's the second bathroom done in a very quick short video just to match the first bathroom. Hope you enjoyed it.